Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and Zendaya and La Roche are back at it again with the On team, this time on a brand new silhouette. This is the On Cloudnova Moon, and this is in the big colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we are going to be talking about On's take on a ballerina sneaker. This is once again one of a co-created collaboration with Zendaya and her stylist, La Roche. And it's the really cool take on On's first, take on a ballet sneaker, which is pretty exciting. So I am gonna jump in with the overview on these in the fit colorway. Then we'll go through the size and fit on this pair, and then jump into how I styled it, and then conclude with how much these are going for currently on the retail grid. Let's jump right into it. So I was really excited when I saw the campaign for these. Spike Jonze did the short video, which was really quirky. Zendaya was doing some strange things, and she was wearing in one of the scenes this crazy like box squared outfit with, of course, the On Cloudnova Moons. She, I'm pretty sure, almost wore, I think, every single colorway in different parts or in different parts of the campaign. I wanted to mix it up and choose the fit colorway because I feel like I haven't really done a pair of On sneakers in this color scheme before, and it's different. I like it. It's almost like a beetroot shade, a maroon burgundy take, but this did also release in 3 other color variations. So there was an all black color scheme, which was called the Black Ink. There was also a kind of silver grayish color scheme, which was the Black Alloy. And there was also a Dew Spruce color scheme, which was kind of white mixed with some blues and green tones, as well as the fit color scheme. So really excited that I was able to grab a pair of these to kind of test out. So it definitely has the low profile of a kind of ballet looking sneaker. I would say that this is kind of giving me Teva vibes, though, not so much On. So I honestly, having these in hand, am not as excited as I was when I saw these in the campaign, because Zendaya can honestly just make anything look incredible. But as far as the upper goes, this is fully covered in this nice kind of maroon tone. And then we've got kind of a different shade of this burgundy, kind of Merlot shade for the straps. I do love that they used a Velcro strap. So this definitely has easy access in and out of this pair. And then as far as the tongue goes, this is a nice stretchy kind of sock lined tongue here. So nice and stretchy for you to get in and out of this pair, but also it fits very snug to your feet. As far as this other kind of purpley hue that they've added in here, it blends quite nicely. Almost gives it more of a monochromatic shade, but it is like a darker, deeper shade of a purple beet shade. All right, let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Okay, so wrapping around to the side panels, again, we've got that nice burgundy shade, burgundy tone for the pull tab, On's logo on the heel there. And then the interior is in this darker kind of brown chocolatey shade, and that's the same tone for the insole. Then we've got CloudTec technology in here that's printed on the midsole in this purplish shade, and we've got black and purple hues for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so jumping into size and fit. So as you can see, this is a very narrow sneaker. So as far as the toe box goes, I will say that's kind of my biggest complaint. It's very, very shallow. So if you're somebody who likes to wiggle their toes around like myself and you like a little bit of extra room, you may definitely want to size up just to get a little bit of extra space. But I can kind of see my big toe popping through the top of the material in the toe box here. I wish it was just a little bit more malleable, a little bit more flexible, just because of the depth here. There's not much room to play with. And I do have high arch narrow feet. I do think that there's really good arch support in these. I don't think it's the most comfortable off of all of the renditions that Zendaya has done from the Cloudnova Moon, which I absolutely loved. And I think that it's like one of the most popular ones I've been seeing people wear. The Cloud Tilt Moon was also super comfy. This is probably, I would have to say, the least comfy out of those three. This again was meant to be more of a lifestyle sneaker. I just think that there's some features that they could work on as far as the structure goes in these, but I do think, you know, they look all right on foot. It's just not my favorite ballet sneaker, and I feel like it doesn't represent On as much as I had hoped. This again looks kind of like a different brand, like a Tebe. All right, so let's now jump into styling. So again, I really loved that short video that On made for the styling segment with Zendaya, and she had some dancers kind of interactive in there with some other models, which was really cool. I wanted to style these very lifestyle-y. So for the first look, I decided to wear some leopard print shorts, and then I wore a graphic tee in cream and black.
Thought I'd be fine, who was I kidding? Give me hope.
Then for the second look, I decided to wear some floral shirts that had kind of some maroon hues in it. And then for the top, I wore this Pasha brown tee. I do think brown shades will go quite nicely with this color scheme.
Take it down. I can never save it. Made it up. Thought that we would make it. Hurt so bad, but I can't say it. The joke's on me. I let myself fall in again. You would have thought I learned from it last time, but who can blame a girl when she's love blind? Yeah, the joke's on me.
Then for the last and final look, I wore some denim pants, and then I wore a ruffled tank top that was kind of a dressier tank. But I do feel like you can definitely dress these up a little bit, but because of the materials, I do feel like this is a little bit better suited for just lifestyle pieces, more casual pieces.
Guess I didn't learn from a lesson, but who can blame a girl for trying? The joke's on me, joke's on me. I learned from a lesson. Take your time with everything else, and I'm sick of it. I dive right in you, you hide, then I crawl through. I bend and I break too. I wish it was the other way around. I wish it was the other way around. Yeah, you've got options. Oh, I've got them too. But I'm not the one standing around not knowing what to do. Baby, say a whole lot of nothing, but you call for me when you're still talking. All I know is that you're not walking.
Now let's talk about how much these retailed for. So these retailed at $200. Pairs are still available on the On website. I do know that some color options, they did sell out, but definitely if you are into the sneakerina, ballerina sneaker trend, this is definitely something I would recommend at least giving a try, especially if you are kind of an On stan. This is something you might like, especially also if you are a big Zendaya fan and you want something that's more of a lifestyle sneaker, more so than performance-based. This is a great different option that we haven't really seen from On. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.